From Divine Sister of the Light Prairie Ni, Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athena, April's 2024 Blessing. Dionysus, Uranus, White Moon, and Jupiter together is the biggest blessing we can have. This is the opening to the true universe and reality. The book is found. Let all stories, histories, and myths be understood. Open yourselves to this monumental portal and align to it. A great success is here. We are finally becoming ready to allow the breaking down of all illusions and deceptions and restore our perception in our systems so that we can truly see, remember, and understand who we are and what we are doing here. What took place after the rebellion in 5D. Within the holographic prison, the school, we all developed some really annoying characteristics. The law and elements that come with this reality, married to the different characteristics of the different families and species, gave a mix of interesting pathologies. The program holds such power, so we get to test our own limitations, and we also got to witness our powers and abilities coming from the line of our own godly genealogy. Everything is in the genealogy, everything. We got to see what our choices are, and if we are truly ready to live as adult creators in the true universe. The true universe cannot be held and run by dark witches and wicked magicians or liars with fearful and insane mindsets. The true universe needs beings who are strong enough to be in a solid and truthful relationship with themselves. Beings who can be sovereign and pure, not puppets of the few, ready to sell everything for some safety. The true universe is meant to be held by adult beings that are responsible for their actions, emotions, and words, not ones that run and hide in the shadows. Inner examination before you wish to become a universal creator and have ambitions of total freedom and great power. Make sure that you are not just a little child that is just trying to mimic others or react to his or her parents. And if you are a child, this is beautiful. Just get to know yourself, occupy your true position, and learn from your experiences and from the elders. Keep it real. Now, as the last veils and layers of oblivion and distortion are being removed, is the perfect time for self-reflection and self-evaluation. A message to the many who have been saying that they have difficulty having inner vision and clairvoyance, receiving information from their higher self or light teams, and remembering other lifetimes or connecting to other aspects of themselves. In most of these cases, the individual has consciously denied a part of their soul's essence, story, and actions. In other words, the soul has placed a coated layer of inaccessibility and fogginess onto a part of the self, playing a game of I saw nothing, I heard nothing, I know nothing towards the self. In these cases, this has taken place because of participation in the agenda of the powers of control or of an action that the soul has registered as a mistake or a really bad choice. In most of these participations and choices, they were contracts signed upon the soul's permission, via which certain powers were given away to the controllers, and certain connections to the true genealogy were also denied or even cursed. But there could be also actions of the ancestors that created these conditions of limitation. These actions have been heavy on the soul, so avoidance and denial have been established inwardly as a protective mechanism from further consequences from the controllers or punishment from God, elders. The key to changing this inner condition is only in the hands of the individual. Unless the individual develops an honest relationship to the self and truly admits the truth, there can be no healing or correction. Once the individual admits the truth of their karmic journey via their true inner knowing, then the inner loops begin breaking down and true healing can begin, because it is only the reconnection to truth that restores the flow in one's system. Then, as a positive domino effect, All previously denied memories and abilities start returning back. This process can be initiated through inner humbleness, respect, and love towards the self. Once this is achieved, the spirit of the person is very happy and lights up and can finally contribute to the person's development and holistic education and restoration in more practical and happy ways. This is the most genius theater of shadows and reflections which only an honest relationship to the self can illuminate. You got this. Enjoy the next 2 weeks of the Most High and divine blessings, and fully claim your truthful relationship to yourself. Blessings of love and truth, Eri ni, El Moriana Anadi Miana, Ol A Christos, Hunama Anata Kumara, Yellow Galactic Warrior.